Hello, good afternoon. Hi,
Hi, how are you?
how are you? Okay? Okay?
I'm good.
Very good. Okay, so it's Noor, is it?
Yeah, Noor Mohamed.
Noor, nice to meet you, Noor.
Nice to meet you.
It's our first call today.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Now, Noor, I would normally like to speak to you a little more, but we only have 15 minutes and I see a lesson plan. So maybe
Okay.
we turn straight to the lesson plan, and if we have time later, then we can make some small talk, some conversation. Okay?
Just we can today we can talk conversation.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, where are you calling me from?
I'm from South India in Tamil Nadu. Are
In
you from?
Tamil Nadu. I've been to Tamil Nadu. I went to after I was in Puducherry, I flew from
Pondicherry.
Tamil Nadu. Yeah, Pondicherry or
Yeah.
Puducherry?
Yes, both are same.
Pondicherry or Puducherry? Is it offensive if I say Pondicherry, or is it okay?
Yeah.
It's
When you come.
Well, actually, I've been to India many times because I have
Mhm,
very good friends who live in
mhm,
Bangalore.
mhm.
They work in a school in Bangalore. So I frequently come to India.
Mhm.
But only one time have I ever been to Pondicherry.
Yeah.
And I loved it. I felt I could live there forever. I thought Pondicherry, very, very, very beautiful.
Yes.
Um, and that the last time that I was in India was 2 years ago. Um, I'm not very far away from you, actually, Noor Mohammed. I live in
Yeah.
the Philippines.
You
Do
are
you know the
in Manila?
Philippines?
Yeah, I
No,
know.
no, I don't live in Manila. I don't like Manila.
Why?
Manila. Have you ever been to Manila?
No. I just land. No, it's the city, capital city of Philippines.
Manila is do you have you ever been to Mumbai?
No, I just one time I visit the Mumbai.
Okay. Did you ever see Dharavi in Mumbai?
No.
Okay. So pretty much the whole of Manila is like
Mm-hmm.
Dharavi. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not
Slum
a
area.
very, very much. Yeah. It's not a very nice place. I don't like Manila at all.
Mm-hmm.
There is a lot of crime.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many people, and just getting from one place to another place is very difficult. So I
Yes.
live in a small city called Dumaguete. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Do my get
Dumaguete.
you.
And I'm going to send you the name of this in the text box. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Dumaguete. Dumaguete is a small city. It's very
Mm-hmm.
famous. It's on the sea. It has a volcano behind it and the sea in front of it. It's very, very beautiful, and I love it very much here.
Are you teacher in working in Do my get you?
I am teaching. I am working here on Cambly.
Yeah, and only the Cambly or in working in as a teacher in school or any.
For now, Noor Mohammed, for now,
Yeah.
I only work on Cambly. And I'm only working on Cambly since the pandemic because
Yeah.
before the pandemic, I used to be
Mm-hmm.
the manager of a large hotel here. Um,
Yeah. The hotel industrial everything is closed because the pandemic.
exactly, exactly. So now I
How
am.
is the pandemic in your in Manila and in your Philippines? How is the affected?
Hello again, Noor. I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe you lost connection.
There's this internet connection.
Are you using your 4G?
Yeah, 4G is data,
It's not good.
mobile data.
It's not so good. Okay, good. So yes, where were we talking? I live in a small city called Dumaguete. It's very beautiful. It's very peaceful here.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good for tourists.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually known as the city of
Don't get
gentle
you.
people. Yes, gentle people. The city of gentle people.
Gentle
This
people.
is it's what's known. It's very warm-hearted, and
The
because
tourist
there
people
are
coming from. Yeah, the
again.
people coming. Yeah, you can go ahead.
What did you say? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Yeah, the tourist people coming from the Europe and West people, US people.
There are many tourists usually, of course, this year is different. Many tourists come
Mm-hmm.
to Dumaguete for
Mm-hmm.
an activity called scuba diving. Have you heard of scuba diving?
No. Can
Let
you
me
explain
send
it?
you let me send you a picture and then you will understand. Actually, scuba diving is a big business in Pondicherry.
Yeah.
Bear with me. Can you see a link if I send it to you? Can you see that link if I send it to
Yeah.
you?
I can search after when the conversation finish. I will search the Google.
Just give me 1 second, please. I'm very sorry. My dog has decided to steal part of my headphones. He's
Yeah. No
naughty.
problem.